Hello guys, this is Bella, your go-to sales pro from the Shangjia Auto Part Company. Today I'm here at our warehouses, the two stores that add up to 2,000 square meters in total. Let me show you around. See it! These warehouses store the products for the McLaren, Lamborghini, and the Ferrari. The used parts, original parts, branded parts. The another warehouse is packed with the parts for the Ferrari, Rolls-Royce, Maserati, and Aston Martins, and etc. We will got the full coverage for the all car mode. Just give it VIN number and OE numbers, and we can check down even the real parts. With the 30 to the 40 millions invested in the research and development yearly, we can bring you the competitive price and the quickly installed shipping, 1-year warranty, and protect support. Do you hunting for the reliable auto part company? Don't hesitate, feel free to contact us.